What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, as you probably already got from the title. I'm going to be unboxing my very first Fab Fit Fun box. I thought this was a perfect time to do it because November, fall time, fall vibes, why not do it? So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Once the winter one comes in, I'll definitely do an unboxing of that one as well. If you're new to this channel, my name is Harpreet, and if you're coming back, hey, how you doing? If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you guys do want to follow me on my social media, I will link it for you guys right here, and then you guys can go ahead and follow me. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video. So here is the box. It is so big, it's huge. I love the colors, definitely a total fall box. I'm super excited to see what is inside. It's a seasonal subscription where you can pay $49.99, and every season they send you a box like this full of goodies, and it always retails more than what you're actually investing into it. So you're investing $50 and the box could be worth like $200. And you always get full-size products as well. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Super cute. It's a magazine. This is a magazine that will tell you like how much everything's worth and how to use it and stuff. This edition has Megan Trainor on it. And it also has like articles and stuff that you can read. So that's really nice. But yeah, so this is the editorial for this fall season. Then there is a HelloFresh gift card. Then we get down to the good stuff. As you guys can see, it's tissue. The box smells so good. So keep in mind, I only paid $49.99 for this whole box. And then if you have a coupon code, it brings it down even more. So this is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy. This is a face toner. Let's see how it smells. Smells like shea butter. Looks really nice. Okay, so let's see how much it's actually worth. It looks pretty pricey, to be honest. So if you go into here, you can match up the product. So this is C5, so let's see what it says for C5. C5, Skin & Co. Aroma Truffle Therapy Face Toner. It retails for $30 normally. It is gentle enough for all skin types. The toner uses black winter truffle, witch hazel, and sage to remove impurities and brighten discoloration. So I'm really excited to use that because I definitely have all the stuff they just said. So yay, this is what it looks like, by the way, if you guys are curious to know what the bottle looks like. By the way, Kita's behind me if you guys are wondering. Blue is not feeling good today, and he is downstairs. I think he's not feeling good. Next thing we have in here is wrapped up like so. We're just gonna go ahead and untie it. I wonder why they put it in this plastic. You guys know I'm so like not about the plastic life. This is the mystery choice, because when I was on there customizing my box, I just said pick something for me. Kate Somerville. This is an exfoliant treatment. It's called Exfoliate. That's funny. Go ahead and open it up because I'm curious. I've never used any Kate Somerville products before, so I'm very excited. Let's open it up because I like to smell things. Ooh, smells like green tea. I don't even know how to describe the smell, but it smells really nice. I'm so excited to try all these products. I honestly I heard about Fab Fit Fun for such a long time, and I just like didn't want to do it for some reason. I was like, no, like I don't need that. And you know what? I'm glad I did it because now I'm getting all these new products that I would have never tried before, and now I get to try them. I'm very excited. But actually, they don't have the actual one in here because it's a mystery item. So if you look it up, if you go to E1 or 1E, mystery item, it says snooze you lose, trust us when we say this mystery will help you maximize those Z's, and it is usually $42 or more. So these two things pretty much already pay for, like, it's more than what the box even was. This was $30, let's say this is 42 bucks, that's already like $72, and the box was only $49.99. So Next thing, oh, I love me some jewelry, as you guys know. Next thing in here are bubble bar. Did I say bubble bar or bubble bar? I think it's bubble bar. Bubble bar earrings. They are so cute, you guys. Like for the holidays, could you imagine? Just like, bam, check out my ears. Oh, those are so cute. Those are $34. Curl. Oh my gosh, why am I so late to this game? This is amazing. Next we have Aveda. I think that's how you say it. I'm so bad with pronouncing brands, you guys. But this is Aveda Damage Remedy Hair Repair. Perfect, because my hair has not been feeling great at all. So I'm definitely excited to try this. 30 bucks for this guy. This is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. It instantly repairs and protects your hair from heat styling, and it's up to 450 degrees. Let's see. Next thing I see in here is Man Plus Kind. I've never heard of this brand before till this box. It is natural and vegan, cruelty free, and this is a body, how do you say that, souffle. All right, let's see how much this bad boy is. This one was 18 buckaroonies, so pretty good. And look how big it is. You're not getting like little baby sizes, you're actually getting like a full size. Next thing I see in here is Juice Cleanse. Is that what it's called, or is that? Okay, it's called Harper and Ari. This is exfoliating sugar cubes, and I think the flavor or like the scent is called Juice Cleanse. These look really fun. Like, I want to eat them. Oh, this smells so good. It smells like almost like a cucumber lime situation going on. These are $16. It says these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. So I'm definitely gonna be trying these, and I'll let you guys know what I think, because they smell amazing. Next thing I see in here, it's actually kind of funny. I did not see this coming. This is a 2-in-1 salt and pepper grinder, which I think is really funny that they put that in there. That one is $21.95. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this on my meal prep. Okay guys, so the very last thing that was in the box, so the very last thing that's in the box is this Twine Living & Co. Gourmet Wood and Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. In the magazine, I think it said it was like 30 bucks. So yeah, anyways, so this I was not expecting to get a, I think I did pick this actually. It was either this or a scarf, I think, and I chose this. I'm really excited for this. Like, perfect, because you guys know the holidays are coming, Thanksgiving. If you guys like cheese, this is definitely very cute. So this is what it looks like. You can take the ceramic piece out when you need to clean it. So here is the cheese knife, and then here also is the little, I don't even know what you call this, but I like that it's like a rose gold, so it's really like chic. Very cute. So that pretty much sums up the whole video, you guys. That was everything that I got in the box. That was a total of 8 or 9 products that I got for $49.99, plus I also had used a coupon code as well that I had received. So with that, I only paid $39.99 for this box. I'll try to find a coupon code for you guys that you guys can use. It obviously won't be associated with me, but I'll just find one. Yeah, if I do find something, I'll leave it for you guys in the description box so you guys can save some coins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And with that being said, I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.